Good morning, students. Take out your English reader book. Today we will read lesson 22. The name of the lesson is Two Shops. Two shops. First of all, we will read new words. Smiling, smiling. Shopkeeper, shopkeeper. People, people. Frowning, frowning. Understand, understand. Now we will read lesson. In a small city of India, there were two shops. One was a bookshop and the other was a sweet shop. There were two shops. One was bookshop and other was a sweet shop. You can see in the picture, this is sweet shop and this is bookshop. The shopkeeper of the bookshop was a smiling man. Look here, the shopkeeper is smiling. His shop had cards, gifts, story books and paint brushes. Many people went to the bookshop. The sweet shop had boxes of sweets, many types of cakes and jars of lollipops. You can see in the picture, in bookshop there are cards, gifts, storybooks, paint brushes, etc. And in sweet shop there are cakes, lollipops, boxes of sweets, etc. Okay. The shopkeeper of the sweet shop was a frowning man. Frowning man, opposite of smiling. Opposite of smiling. Frowning, who is not smiling, who is not happy. You can see in the picture, just see this shopkeeper. He has a frowning face. And in this picture also, you can see, so no one came to his shop because nobody likes a frowning man. Everybody likes smiling man. The frowning man could not understand why no one came to his shop. He could not understand why no one came to his shop. One day he was looking out. Two men came on ponies. Ponies, these are ponies. You can see in the picture, ponies. They went into the bookshop. After some time, some girls also went inside the bookshop. The shopkeeper frowned more and more. जो स्वीट शॉप का शॉपकीपर था वो और ज्यादा उसका फेस फ्राउनिंग हो गया देखकर कि एवरीवन इज गोइंग टू द book shop. Nobody is coming in my shop. At that time, two women with babies came into the sweets shop. One baby saw the frown on the man's face and started crying. जब स्मॉल बेबी ने, लिटिल बेबी ने फ्राउन देखा शॉपकीपर के फेस पर तो वो डर गया और रोने लगा. द वुमेन वेंट out without buying anything. As they opened the door, the shopkeeper saw his face in the mirror of the door. Mirror. What is mirror? This is mirror. This is mirror. What a frown, he said. उसने अपने आप से कहा कि मेरा फेस कितना फ्राउनिंग है. He looked again and saw that it was his own face. He was so surprised that he began to laugh. When he saw his own face, frowned face, then he began to laugh. He laughed so loudly that the babies also began to laugh. One woman came back and took a box of lollipops. The other boys and girls heard his laugh and came to buy sweets. Men and women also came to buy cakes. Now, too many people are coming in this shop because everyone likes laughing men, not frowning men. Okay, so now all the people are coming in sweet shop. From that day, the shopkeeper always smiled and his shop was always full of people. Okay, now we have learned from this lesson that we should always smiling, not frowning. Okay, now you will read this lesson carefully and you will learn difficult words also from this lesson. Okay, thank you.